Hey there, health enthusiasts! I'm excited to dive into some amazing diet tips and mouth-watering recipes that will not only tantalize your taste buds, but also amp up your nutrition game. Let's kick things off with a simple truth. Eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. I'm here to show you how you can add spice and variety to your meals while keeping everything balanced and nutritious. First up, hydration. Remember, water is your best friend. It keeps your system clean and your skin glowing. Try infusing your water with fruits like lemon, berries, or cucumber for an extra punch of flavor. Now, on to breakfast. They say it's the most important meal of the day for a reason. How about starting your day with a smoothie bowl? Load it with your favorite fruits, a scoop of protein powder, some chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. It's quick, it's easy, and trust me, it's delicious. Lunch should be a powerhouse of nutrients. A quinoa salad mixed with chickpeas, avocado, cherry tomatoes, and a sprinkle of feta cheese gives you proteins, fats, and carbs all in one go. And for the dressing? A simple vinaigrette with olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper does the trick. Dinner is the time to wind down, so let's keep it light yet satisfying. Grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. It's filling, it's nutritious, and the omega-3s in the salmon help boost your brain function. And hey, who says you can't have dessert? A bowl of Greek yogurt with nuts and a bit of dark chocolate can satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. Remember, it's all about balance and making choices that fit your lifestyle. So, experiment with these tips and recipes, mix them up, and make them your own. Stay healthy, stay happy, and let your food be your pathway to prosperity. Catch you in the next video where we'll tackle some common diet myths and set the record straight. Till then, eat well and live prosperously. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy eating tips and recipes.